Welcome to Snowdonia, home to the highest peak in Wales, Mount Snowdon. And there's one magical way to reach its summit, the Snowdon Mountain Railway.
Heather whispers, the stone walls sigh, ancient tales beneath the sky. Through the mountain rails where the rivers run, past the slate gray scars in the golden sun.
Since 1896, this railway has carried adventurers from the village of Llanberis all the way to the summit, a journey of nearly 5 miles, climbing over 3,500 feet.
Clouds drifting by, tracks of iron, but dreams take flight. Snowdon shadow, soft as night. Oh, the wind sing low. Oh, the hills they know. Through the mountain rails where the rivers run, past the slate gray scars and the golden sun. With each turn, a story unveils. My heart rides free through the mountain rails. Oh, the winds sing low. Oh, the hills they know. Through the mountain rails where the rivers run, past the slate gray stars and
the train winds through dramatic valleys, waterfalls, and rugged cliffs.
My heart rides free through the mountain rails. A lark takes wing, a fleeting call, echoes rise from the waterfall. And every stone, and every tree, a piece of the past belongs to me.
It's not just a ride, it's a moving postcard of Snowdonia's breathtaking landscape. Every moment offers a new view, from lush green slopes dotted with sheep, to craggy ridges that feel almost otherworldly.
The heart rides free through the mountain rails. The heart rides free through the mountain rails.
The Snowdon Mountain Railway is more than transport. It's history, adventure, and wonder rolled into one unforgettable journey. Whether it's your first visit to Wales or your 50th, this is an experience you'll never forget.
Echoes rise from the waterfall. In every stone, in every tree, a piece of the past belongs to me.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more journeys into the world's most beautiful places.